Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a long time since my last video, so I must apologize for that. But I actually sort of came to the realization that I should only do them when the urge takes me, rather than trying to do them once a week, because that was getting very expensive. So we've got a nice cloudy, rainy, wintry day here in Cape Town, Friday afternoon, and I thought that I would do a pour. So as usual, I'm going to be doing a triple flip cup. I just love how that technique turns out all the time, and I'm sort of building up a nice collection of paintings that sort of have the similar pattern, obviously different colors, but they sort of work well in a sequence. So that's what we're going to be doing today. The colors I'm using, beautiful light baby blue, we've got black, white, and we've got a very dark Prussian blue, and then we've got a nice purple. As you know, I like to have purple in all of my paintings, so we'll be doing that again. So I must apologize if everything looks a little bit dark. One of my lights blew when I turned it on. The transformer box just went psh, so we're down to one light and the overhead lights, and as I said, it's quite gloomy outside, so I must apologize if the picture is a little bit dark. I will try and correct it once I put it together in my movie maker. We can always try and increase the brightness. So let me get going with stacking the cups. I've put quite a lot of silicone into each of the paints, and I've given it a really good mix, so I'm hoping for a lot of those very small cells. But let me layer up the cups and then I'll cut back once I've done that. Right, there we go guys, I've layered them up. I've actually got them in the little yogurt containers today, so you can't see the layering, but I've done 5 individual layers of each color, one layer of each color, so that's 5 layers, and then for the second round of layers, I've poured from a height so that the paint goes through the other layers, and we get those cells. So I'm just going to try and get this down without spilling. Oh, that wasn't very good. I'm out of practice, clearly. Let's go again. There we go. They are very full, so you can already see there's loads of cells coming out here. That's because I put a fair amount of silicone in because I wanted a lot of cells. As you know, I love those cells, so let's hope that this turns out well. These things should be ready to tip now. Right guys, we've already got a lot of cell action going on. I'm going to shift it, I'm going to tilt it first and then do the flames, because if I do it now, what tends to happen is that you get the cells are stretched, and I actually quite like them when they're sort of in their round condition like this. So let's get going with the tilt. Okay guys, there we go. And check that I've got the sides. I haven't quite got all the sides, but we can fix it up now. Right, there we go guys. Now for the fun part. Let's see how many little cells are going to come up. I'm hoping that there's going to be a lot, but maybe they've already come up. Oh no, I was right, there are going to be a lot, and this is exactly what I wanted. I love when there's the big cells and then a whole lot of the little ones come out in the gaps in between, so we can see them starting to come out on this side and all down this blue here. Really makes it look like a galaxy, which is the effect that I love, and I think I've finally got the recipe right. I must say my paints were very thin for this one. I think it has really made a difference in getting those cells to come through. Obviously when it's very thick, it's harder for the paints to go through each other and create the cells. So yeah, I thought today I would make them all super thin, and you can see the result here. It's turned out really nicely. So yeah, that is it guys. I am super happy with that. It's going to fit in well with the rest of my flip cup pours, paintings that I've got around the house. So yeah, I'm super stoked how that turned out. So that's going to be it for now guys. Hope you're all keeping well, hope you're staying safe. Our vaccinations have finally started here in South Africa. for the elderly over 60. So I know my wife's parents have had it. I'm not sure if my folks have had it yet or not, but at least they are starting to move. It took them a hell of a long time to get to this position. But hey, you know, it's a South African government. What can you expect? So that's it, guys. Hope you have a good weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know I haven't been around posting videos a lot lately, but I'm still here. I'm still posting when I get the urge. And yeah, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button, and let's get that follow count up. So that's it, guys. Have a good one. I'm going to cut to the close-up. Cheers.